All right, let's harvest some of this Chijimisai. We can go leaf by leaf with it. I'm gonna take these outer leaves. Maybe just take a few leaves off each plant for now. This is the first time we're taking anything off of them. Isn't that nice? This has some very, very minor damage on it, but no big deal. It's gonna be delicious. Take that one. That. Let's take this damaged leaf. Let's take this big guy here. Whew, look at that. Definitely gonna grow this again next year. Not a very interesting variety name. Green. Let's take one more. Cool. Okay, one more. I think it's time to harvest some of this delicious lettuce. Let's start with this guy. Again, we're gonna go leaf by leaf. Just take some from the outside of each plant, the bigger plants. All right, this guy I finally remember the name of. It is Black Hawk, which I'm probably not remembering because it's really more of a deep, deep red color. Let's take some leaves of this. Wow. That's nice. Okay, this is part of a wild garden mix. So kind of unknown but fun looking lettuces, but we're finding them to be pretty vigorous. Okay, what else we got? Let's move to a different area. Some lettuce in there, we're gonna let it get bigger. Some lettuce there. Some volunteer lettuce over here. I think we're gonna try some of. Here I'm gonna pull a couple whole plants out to thin it, because I think that'll help the rest of these get bigger. And yeah, we want to keep this harvest modest so we don't stress everything out too much. We can keep taking more. Okay, that stuff was all for my burger, but there's something else we can harvest for a snack today. We got all these radishes in here, and well, this variety is supposed to be really quick, right? It could get bigger, but we're gonna have radishes for so long, I feel like a bunch of them are gonna get woody by the time I eat them all, so I'm not gonna hesitate to harvest some of these. You can see they're poking up out of the ground as if they want to be picked. I think this variety, the shape of them, you'll see it's kind of oblong, so I think that's just going to be part of the game with these. Okay, let's take this one. Pretty. Okay, let's grab a couple more. These are funny shaped. These are called French breakfast. I'll let you make what you will of that name. But that's all for now. I'm just gonna have myself a little snack. If I wanted to, I can make a salad out of this. I'm gonna eat the greens too. I'll show you exactly what I leave. Let me get these washed off and then I'll show you what I eat and what I don't. There they are, French breakfast. See, they're about half a finger. So the way I eat these, I snap this taproot off. You can do it with your teeth if it's too woody. I eat this whole thing down to about where my thumbnail is. I'll do that to now. Wow. Okay. Pretty good. Very classic tasting. Radishy. I think the other variety that hasn't really finished yet is tastier. But here we got the greens. Again, you can see what I've eaten already. See where my thumbnail is? Right about there, personally. I'm just gonna eat all those greens. And that's what I'm left with. Throw that in the compost pile, or just flick it. Wow, okay. Really, really tender. Well, if you liked this little harvest video, please go ahead and toss us a like, help us grow. Consider subscribing, especially if you want to see all the cool stuff that we're going to eat throughout the season. These next radishes that are coming in are really cool too. They're called Easter egg, and they look like Easter eggs. But more importantly, they're delicious. Way less bitey than the ones you get at the store. Anyhow, peace.